Hello guys, I am Fahad Bamba and welcome to my new YouTube channel. So on this channel, I'm going to be making a lot of videos relating to trading. But what I'm going to be doing for now is I'm going to be making videos on the trades I took within the course of the day. I'll do recaps on the trades, then I'll post the videos here. I'm going to be very honest. Whether it hits SL or it hits TP, I'm going to post it here. Yeah. So please like and subscribe, stay tuned, and I hope this helps. So first off, I trade price action. Let me make this very clear. I am a price action trader. So the criteria I basically use to look out for my trades are support and resistance levels, supply and demand levels, trend lines, market structure, then just finding the overall bias or the overall direction of the market of the pair I'm trading. So this was a trade I took in the morning around 6:40, just when landing session was about to open. So I went to the higher time frame, which is what I mostly do when I'm about to trade. I love to go to the higher time frame to see the bias, the major trend of the market. I love to know where the market is heading to. So as you can see, gold has been bullish. I'm on the 4 hour time frame. Gold has been very bullish for the past weeks, and last week in particular, it made a lot of highs. As you can see, gold has been very bullish. So when I come into the market and I see that the pair I'm trading or the market of the pair I trade is bullish because I trade a lot of pairs. So this is good. So when I see that the market is bullish, I don't need to do any more analysis. I just head down to the lower time frame to look for my entries. So this was what I saw. And prior to this, on Friday, this was where the market closed. As you can see, Friday 11 p.m. The market closed around this level. Let me move to the 1 hour time frame. So on Friday, this was where the market closed. So the market closed here. And on Sunday, when I was doing my analysis, preparing for Monday market open, I thought price will make another pullback. Maybe price will pull back from here, then test this trend line, then maybe consolidate a little. Then Monday, I'll wake up to price around this area so that I'll get an entry, then buy to this all-time high. So what I would have done, what I was planning, or what I thought the market would do, I thought the market would consolidate a little bit around this level. Then I'll buy it to the all-time high. I would have literally placed my TP at the all-time high or beyond. So that was my speculation. But unfortunately, when I woke up on Monday morning, I saw that the market had already made the move I anticipated. So the market had already gone and even went beyond the all-time high. As you can see, this is the all-time high. This green horizontal line represents the all-time high. This is the all-time high. So when I woke up, price had already broken the all-time high. But it wasn't too late because gold is a very volatile pair and it moves basically throughout the day. Even during Asian session, you can still get trades on gold. And this is what I've observed, and I've been tracking this for a while now on gold. Anytime gold breaks an all-time high, as I said earlier, this is our all-time high. This is the demarcation of the all-time high, the green line. So anytime gold breaks an all-time high, it will make a pullback. And after that pullback, you see price move aggressively. So this was what happened. So price broke the all-time high and reversed back or retraced back. Sometimes it will go and test the all-time high, but sometimes it won't get there. But this is what happened. We had a temporal bearish trend, and as I said earlier, I make very good use of support and resistance and trend lines, especially trend lines. Trend lines are basically the main tool I use for getting entries and also tracking the trend. So this all-time high represents a resistance level which price broke through. So when price switched to that temporal bearish trend, coming to test the all-time high, it didn't test the all-time high, but it made a very deep retracement. So when I saw this, I already knew that the market was going to eventually move back up. So I placed my trend line here. This is a trend line. I placed my trend line here. Price broke the trend line, retested it, but I wasn't ready to enter. I wanted more confirmations. Price moved a little higher, then came back to the trend line. This was where I was supposed to enter. This was the perfect place I should have entered. But unfortunately, at that moment, I was a little busy. I was doing something, so I missed it. And when I came, price was still here, and that wasn't too late. So I still hopped on the trade and I placed my SL here. And this is the sense, or this is the theory behind trend lines. We don't just trade trend lines, or we don't just place trend lines anyhow because we feel like placing trend lines. Anytime you see me drawing the trend line, there is a reason behind the trend line. As you can see, the market was bearish. It was bearish temporarily. It was bearish, 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 bearish. As you can see, this was the last low. So this low was not able to take out the the swing low in the 5 minutes. It wasn't able to take out the swing low. It wasn't able to break that low. So structure was about to change. Immediately I see this, I know that structure is about to change. So price came back up, break the trend, retested, then broke this high. It broke this high. So upon seeing this, you just know that the trend has flipped from bearish. I'm talking about temporary or the smaller time frame bias, from bearish to bullish. So when it broke this high, came back, then that was where we took the trade. So that's basically how I got my entry. Very simple, precise, and straightforward. So I hope this helped. This is my first video I'm making. I know it won't be on point, but at least you guys will gain something from it. So please like and subscribe so that this video can gain more traction. It can reach more viewers, and I hope we grow from here. So please stay in tune. I'll be dropping my next video tomorrow. I promise to drop a video every day. Whether I hit SL or I hit TP, I'm going to share the trade recap here, and you guys can potentially learn from my losses or even my wins. So if you have watched until this point, I want to say a very big thank you, because it's not easy watching a video for almost 9 minutes. Yeah. So thank you very much, and I hope you gain value from this. Bye.